Hi everyone, welcome back to Mike's Tech Tips with Radius Executive IT Solutions. Today we'll be discussing the importance of diversifying your cybersecurity. Much like with your financial investments, you want to diversify to increase your rate of return, right? With cybersecurity, you want to diversify to reduce your risk. Radius Executive IT Solutions does this by providing our clients 5 pillars of confident cybersecurity. And today I will be examining Pillar 1, staff awareness, training, and education. Within this pillar, there are 4 main components. Component 1 is continuous security training, which can be 1 to 2 minute training modules and quizzes. Component 2, monthly employee security newsletters, where we discuss current cybersecurity threats and tips, and it can be posted in common areas or sent via email. Component 3, simulated phishing attacks, which are fake phishing emails to test employee awareness. And finally, Component 4, annual security risk assessments, where we remind employees of the importance of cybersecurity and the risk behind it. Thank you for stopping by. Stay tuned next week, where we will break down Pillar 2 of our confident cybersecurity.